हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। आज हम वैदिक कल्चर की बात करेंगे। जानते हैं ओरिजिनल होम एंड आइडेंटिटी ऑफ आर्यंस जो आए थे 1500 BC में। आर्यन स्पोक इंडो यूरोपियन लैंग्वेज। दे वर लिंग्विस्टिक ग्रुप्स। दे ओरिजिनेटेड इन एरियाज ईस्ट ऑफ एल्प्स इन यूरेशिया और सेंट्रल एशिया। अकॉर्डिंग टू बाल गंगाधर तिलक, दे केम फ्रॉम आर्कटिक रीजन ऑफ नॉर्थ पोल। Early life of Aryans was mainly pastoral and agriculture was secondary occupation. Thus they fought for control of cow pen. Cow pen फोटो आपको दिख जाएगी। Called Gavisthi in Rigveda. Metals जो डिस्कवर हो चुके थे वो थे कॉपर, आयरन and bronze. Few goldsmiths, potters and spinners also existed. Use of wooden plowshare, not iron. Horses played a significant role as they were nomadic people, so they have to travel one place to another. ऋग्वैदिक एज जिसको अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड भी कहा जाता है, जिसका टाइम पीरियड है 1500 to 1000 BC। आगे हम लेटर वैदिक पीरियड भी पढ़ेंगे। आर्यंस वेर कन्फाइंड टू इंडस रीजन कॉल्ड सप्ता सिंधु, लैंड ऑफ 7 rivers, 5 rivers of Punjab, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj, and Indus and Saraswati. So total 7, that is Sapta Sindhu. ट्राइबल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स की बात करें, सो आर्यंस फॉट विद प्री आर्यंस एंड फॉट अमंग देमसेल्व्स। बैटल ऑफ 10 kings known as the Sarjan War fought in river Parushi or Ravi. India was ruled by Bharata clan which faced opposition from 10 kings. 5 were from Aryans and 5 from non-Aryans. Result was Bharata clan won. Priest of war थे Vishwamitra. Priest of war was Vishwamitra. Later Bharata and Purus formed Kurus and occupied Delhi and Kurukshetra or land of Kurus. Battle of Bharata fought in 950 BC called Mahabharata between Kauravas and Pandavas, both from Kuru clan. Kuru clan was formed by Bharata and Purus. Veda means with, that is to know or superior knowledge. Samhita is collection of Vedic hymns. So Veda Samhita. It comprises of mantras which was spread through Shruti and Smritis. Most mentioned river in early Vedic literature is Sindhu. Rigveda Samhita की बात करें, so it contains 1028 hymns sung in praise of various gods. Rigveda Samhita is the oldest Samhita, purest form of Hindu literature written in Sanskrit hymns. 1 and 10 mandala were latest and 2nd and 8th mandala is older. Shudras are mentioned in 10th mandala. यजुर्वेद की बात करें, so it contains details of rituals of sacrifices. It is partially in verses and partially in prose. Shweta contains poetic form and Shama contains prose form. Samved comprises of melodies and chants which could be sung. It contains oldest musical texts. Atharvaved contains charms, spells and magic rituals. It mentions Ayurveda and it was written by non-Aryans. Brahmana were treatises relating to prayers and sacrificial ceremonies. It explains hymns of Vedas. Each Veda have several Brahmanas. Each Veda have several Brahmana. शूला यजुर्वेदा का accompanying Brahmana है सतापथा Brahmana. उपनिषद की बात करें, so it comprises philosophical knowledge and spiritual learning. It deals with soul and origin of world. Upa means to sit near someone. Mundaka Upanishads mentions Satyameva Jayate. Upanishads are called Vedanta, that is end of Veda. It reveals final aim of Veda and was written in last phase of Vedic period. Aranyakas were forest books. It deals with rites, rituals and sacrifices. Deals with mysticism and symbolism also. It bridged the gap between Karma Marga, that is deed, and Jana Marga, that is knowledge. मैंने एंशियंट इंडियन लिटरेचर पे ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना रखा है जिसमें मैंने बात की है सोर्सेज ऑफ एंशियंट हिस्ट्री, जो एक हाई यील्डिंग टॉपिक भी है। सो आपने अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो जरूर देखें, आपको उसमें सारे एंशियंट इंडियन लिटरेचर्स मिल जाएंगे। रामायणा was written by Valmiki and Mahabharata was written by Vedvyasa. Let's talk about economic life or material culture of Aryans or Vedic people. They were mainly pastoral and main occupation was cattle rearing. They were weavers. Wealth was estimated in terms of cattle. Their main occupation, जैसा कि हमने देखा, was cattle rearing. So wealth was estimated in terms of cattle. Rigveda mentions artisans like weavers, carpenters. They had better knowledge of agriculture, arms, metalworking was now known. Tax was given as bali, given to Gopa. It was voluntary. याद रखें, it was voluntary, not mandatory. Wooden plough was called langal, whatever you may call. Wooden plough was called langal. Political organization की बात करें, smallest unit is called grama, then vis, then jana and then country. Grama, vis, jana and country. Basic unit is called Kula or family, headed by Graham or Grahapati. Families join together and form village or Grama, headed by Vishayapati. Highest political unit is Jana, headed by Gopa, who must be having good skills and efficient. Normally, the society was monarchical. Women were part of political system. Several tribal kingdoms जिसका हेड होता था राजन और किंग. इट वॉज मेरिट बेस्ड सिस्टम. याद रखें, इट वॉज मेरिट बेस्ड, नॉट हेरिडिटरी. राजन और किंग वॉज असिस्टेड बाय पुरोहिता और प्रीस्ट, सेनानी और कमांडर ऑफ आर्मी. सभा मीन्स काउंसिल ऑफ एल्डर्स. याद रखें, सभा मीन्स काउंसिल ऑफ एल्डर्स. समिति मीन्स जनरल असेंबली. समिति मीन्स जनरल असेंबली. विधाता वॉज असेंबली meant for secular, religious and military purpose with high women participation. Tribal chief was called Rajan, not having unlimited power, but had to reckon with tribal assembly called Samiti. Samiti, that is general assembly, and Sabha means council of elders. Important functionary was Purohita. वशिष्ठ एंड विश्वामित्रा कंपोज गायत्री मंत्र. सोशल लाइफ की बात करें तो सोसाइटी वॉज पेट्रियार्कल. किनशिप वॉज बेसिस ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर. पॉलीएंड्री वॉज प्रैक्टिस, दैट इज हैविंग मोर देन वन हस्बैंड. विडो रिमैरिज वॉज अलाउड. वुमेन कुड अटेंड असेंबलीज एंड एंजॉयड इक्विटी. सोशल डिविजन्स एग्जिस्टेड बेस्ड ऑन वर्ण और color. Aryans were considered fair, which gave rise to social order. Tribal society were divided into warriors, priests, and Shudras. There was unequal distribution of spoils of war. Hemendra, who is author, known for satires exposing social ills of society. High social mobility exist करती थी because society was not rigid and hence person can change his varna. पुरुषा सुक्ता में हमें मिलता है फर्स्ट मेंशन ऑफ वर्ण. रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस की बात करें तो शुरुआत हुई इंदिरा गॉड से. इंद्र, then Agni, then Varuna, and then Soma, and by the end, Prithvi was worshipped. Natural forces and yajnas, they used to do easy worship and no complexity in religious structure. No image worship or sacrifice or rituals was practiced. Prayers played an important role, mainly for praja, child, food, wealth and health. They used fire to invoke them. Women's की बात करें so they studied Vedas and fine arts. याद रखें, they studied Vedas and fine arts till Vedic culture or early Vedic period. They enjoyed freedom to select mate. They were treated as ardhanginis. The unmarried daughter got her share in father's property. Divorce was not permissible to them. Women sages who composed mantras, Vishwara, Apala and Ghosha. नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं लेटर वैदिक फेज की, जिसका टाइम पीरियड है 1000 टू 600 बीसी. अर्ली वैदिक एज का टाइम पीरियड हमने देखा था 1500 टू 1000 बीसी. अब आते हैं लेटर वैदिक में, जिसका टाइम पीरियड है 1000 टू 600 बीसी. यूज ऑफ आयरन दैट बिगैन इन 1000 बीसी. Sacrifices increased. Horse-drawn chariot was widely used. Metal was called Shyama or Krishna Ayas. Primitive agriculture was practiced and rice was called Vrihi. Wooden plowshare, therefore not enough produce. Progress in copper, weaving, leatherwork, pottery. It led to settled life and women were reduced to household role. Proto-urban sites जैसे हस्तिनापुर and Kausambi on a whole led a settled life, advanced material life. Also art and craft got diversified. पॉटरी आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप जरूर याद रखें. आईवीसी में यूज होता था ब्लैक एंड रेड वेयर. वैदिक में पीजीडब्ल्यू दैट इज पॉलिश्ड ग्रे वेयर. एंड 6th सेंचुरी बीसी में एनबीपीडब्ल्यू दैट इज नॉर्दर्न ब्लैक पॉलिश्ड वेयर. एंड देन ब्लैक स्लिप्ड वेयर. ये क्रोनोलॉजी है. सबसे पहले ब्लैक एंड रेड, देन पीजीडब्ल्यू, देन एनबीपीडब्ल्यू एंड देन ब्लैक स्लिप्ड वेयर. पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, असेंबलीज लॉस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस, जो इंपॉर्टेंट थी अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड में. लेटर वैदिक रॉयल पावर गॉट इंक्रीज्ड. Sabha and samitis continued, but it was dominated by prince and rich. Women were now restricted to attend sabha. They were now restricted. Wider kingdoms, now king's power increased and tribal authority became territorial. Term Rashtra, याद रखें, term Rashtra first appeared here. First appeared in later Vedic period. King's influence was strengthened by rituals to make believe people. किंग अपनी पावर बढ़ाने के लिए या लोगों को दिखाने के लिए, उनके मन में डर पैदा करने के लिए he used sacrifices to make believe people. Rajasuya, Ashwamedha and Rajpeya, these all were sacrifices. Status of Brahmins increased. Kings की पावर बढ़ती गई और साथ ही साथ ब्राह्मण्स जो sacrifices में हेल्प करते थे उनके वह इन्फ्लुएंस बढ़ता गया. Status of Brahmins increased. King's position was now became hereditary. अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड में हमने देखा था राजन और किंग वॉज बेस्ड ऑन मेरिट सिस्टम, नॉट हेरिडिटरी, एंड इन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड किंग्स पोजीशन बिकेम हेरिडिटरी. कलेक्शन ऑफ टैक्सेस बाय ऑफिसर संग्रहित्री. सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करें सो 4 वर्नास एग्जिस्टेड which were hereditary and rigid. पहले हमने देखा था the वर्ण system was not rigid and people can change their वर्ण, but now it became hereditary and also rigid. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudras. Shudras were deprived of sacred text. They were considered servants of another. Brahmins offered prestige to Kshatriya and Brahmana's credibility increased. Increasing power of father was witnessed, dominating because of land. Institution of Gotra appeared here. Initially, Gotra means cowpen, that is place where cattle belonging to a whole clan was kept, and later as common ancestors. Cowpen का मतलब होता था place where cattle belonging to the whole clan was kept. It was later related to common ancestors. According to post-Vedic text, there exist 4 stages of life: Brahmachari, that is student life; Grihastha, that is householder's life; Vanaprastha, partial retirement; and sannyasa, complete retirement. Economy की बात करें so land or territory became source of wealth, not cattle. Tax levied were now bali, shulka and bhaga. Agriculture became principal occupation. With advent of irons, forest was now cleared. Now iron plough was used for agriculture and weapons also gained prominence. Religious practices की बात करें so now Prajapati, the creator, occupied the supreme position. इससे पहले अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड में हमने देखा था सबसे पहले आए थे इंद्र, देन अग्नि, वरुणा, सोमा, उषा एंड लास्ट में पृथ्वी वाज वर्शिप्ड. लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में प्रजापति द क्रिएटर ऑक्युपाइड सुप्रीम पोजीशन, एंड देन रुद्रा दैट इज गॉड ऑफ एनिमल, एंड देन विष्णु, एंड देन ब्रह्मा. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ब्रह्मा वाज वर्शिप्ड. सिंबॉलिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स वाज नाउ वर्शिप्ड. इससे पहले हमने देखा था नो इमेज वर्शिप, जस्ट नेचुरल फोर्सेस. सोशल ऑर्डर्स वर डाइवर्सिफाइड एंड नाउ एवरीवन हैड देयर ओन डाइटीज. रिलीजन गॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. जैसा कि हम ये सबसे देख सकते हैं रिलीजन गॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्योंकि अपने अपने सबके अपने डाइटी बन गए. बिगिनिंग ऑफ टेरिटोरियल किंगडम्स, लैंड बिकेम नाउ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकेम एग्रीकल्चरल सोसाइटी फ्रॉम पैस्टोरल सोसाइटी. हायरार्की और वर्नास की बात करें सो ब्राह्मणास वेर प्रीस्ट एंड टीचर्स, दे वर एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम टैक्स और एनी काइंड ऑफ पनिशमेंट. क्षत्रिय fought and governed, they lived on taxes, divided on Vaishyas and Shudras. Vaishyas were involved in agriculture, trade, and they were considered principal taxpayers. They were considered Dvija or twice born. Shudras were serving other 3 varnas. They were not allowed to Vedic studies. अब women's को भी allow नहीं किया जाता था for Vedic studies. Each varna was defined a function. Higher a varna, उतना ज़्यादा privileges और उतने ज़्यादा they were considered pure. Sacrifices की बात करें so Rajasuya, that is king's inaugural sacrifice, confer supreme power to him. Vajpaya sacrifice, so it was chariot race. Royal chariot was made to win against his kingsmen. Ashwamedha sacrifice, जैसे unquestioned control over the areas on which royal horse ran. जिस भी एरिया में वहां का रॉयल हॉर्स जाएगा या दौड़ेगा वो सारा एरिया किंग का कहलाएगा. सो इट वॉज अश्वमेधा सैक्रिफाइस. चंडालास की बात करें इफ लोअर वर्ना मेल मैरिड हायर वर्ना वुमेन, their child were considered chandalas or untouchables having no caste. Later Brahmanas categorized them according to their profit and comfort. Example, leather workers were considered untouchables. Shudras became broadest varna. Shudras became broadest varna. Script की बात करें so it was Brahmini script. Earliest writing system was left to right जैसा आज भी हम लिखते हैं. The Brahmi script prevailed in whole country except northwestern part of India. Greek and Aramaic script employed in writing Ashoka inscriptions in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Kharoshthi was written right to left. So we have covered early Vedic period and later Vedic period. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, तब तक के लिए all the best and thank you.